Hello beautiful people, and welcome to the best curry chicken you will ever taste. Trust me guys, you're gonna love this one. This is one dish that is always on our dinner table because it's so finger licking good. So here is your ingredients list. Make sure you take a note, and if you can, try to get your curry powder from Jamaica, Jamaican owned brand. It is different than the normal one. Alright, so we're gonna start by washing our chicken with some lime and vinegar. Yes, we wash our chicken. For Jamaicans, we wash our chicken and we pat it dry to remove excess moisture. We are now going to marinate this chicken ahead of time. So this is a couple of hours ahead of time. And this is just to intensify the flavor of your meat. Okay, you can do it 24 hours before if you need to. And we're just going to add in all of the seasonings that you saw in that ingredients list. So get everything in that bowl, flavor, and more flavor. And leave that in the fridge to marinate. So now later on in the day, and we're going to slice up our spring onions and our bell peppers. I'm not going to use the peppers until the last 5 minutes because I cannot stand mush in a pot. Okay, let's get the Dutchie. Don't know about the Dutchie. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my grandma's pot and add in our chicken to sear. Now usually I would cook off some curry powder before I add the chicken, but because so much curry powder is on my chicken already, I'm going to skip that. But feel free to do that. Okay, and this one here guys is the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now if you like spice, put that pepper in nice and early, but me, I just like a kick, so I'm going to add it in the last 10 minutes of cooking. So sear off your chicken on one side. Once it's nice and brown, turn it around and sear off the other side. We're going to add some water. Make sure that chicken is not stuck to the bottom of that pot. And put on that lid 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's prep our potato. And potatoes are great because one, they add another texture, but two, they will thicken our liquid. We don't need no corn flour, arrowroot, or nothing like that. Potato will do just fine. And we're gonna wash off our rice until the water runs clear. Okay, in a pan, we're going to put 1 cup of rice into 1 3/4 cup of water. We're going to bring that up to a boil, and we're going to add our salt. Okay, we're going to put on the lid and turn that down to a simmer now. That should take about 15 minutes to get nice and soft. Okay, there is our curry chicken looking good. Just going to make sure the chicken is not stuck to the bottom of the pan. And we're going to add in more flavor. So that same bowl that you did marinate your chicken, you're going to put all of that seasoning with some extra spring onions into that bowl. Trying to get all of that curry powder into our Dutchie. Flavor. All right, 15 minutes. Okay, our rice is bubbling away. That's good. Let's check on our curry chicken. We're going to add in our potatoes now, not long left. Make sure they are in the water, and that should now start to thicken up your curry sauce. Our rice is done. You'll see the pockets. We're going to turn that off and keep that nice and warm. And we've only got 2 more things to add to our pot, which is the sweet pepper. Oh, let me just clean that. The sweet pepper and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, so let's soften these down and add a little kick. Potatoes need a little bit longer. Okay, that's better. Looking good, looking finger licking good. We're just going to check for seasoning. And we're going to check and make sure that our chicken is not pink. I don't know why people just serve me pink chicken. I don't eat it. No, make sure your chicken is cooked, guys. Right, time to plate up. So there you have it. Jamaican curry chicken with a hint of spice. I'm just trying to make this look pretty for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!